Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've thought I will make a very amazing recipe of homemade cream cheese, and it's very simple. For that I have taken 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and I have taken 3 glasses of full cream milk. You need full cream milk for this recipe because you are making cream cheese, and this is a requirement when you're making a cream cheese, is that you need to have full fat milk. Otherwise, your cream cheese, you don't need skim milk or you don't need almond milk, coconut milk. No, you just need full fat milk. That's it. Of cow's milk. That's it. Not any other substitute, oats milk or any other milk. So, we are going to use 3 glasses of full fat milk and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And now I'm going to show you the method on how we're going to make it. So let's get started. I have put the milk and I have put the stove, I have light the stove on medium flame, and I'm going to wait for this milk to come to a boil. Okay, it's still not come to a boil. I'm going to wait till it comes to a boil on a medium flame. If you can see that the milk has started to boil up, you can see the little bubbles in the end of the corner, and it has started to boil. And now I'm going to add in the lemon juice. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this lemon juice in the milk. At this point, you see that after I put the lemon juice, the milk has become like this. We just have to let it be on a very low flame till it curdles like this. The milk has turned in a different. This is actually your cream cheese. As soon as you put that acid, that is lemon juice, in it, the milk, it changed its texture and it's become like this. And this is our cream cheese. I just let it be for 10 minutes and I will show you. You can see that it has to be like this. So the milk has completely changed, and this is actually your cream cheese. Wow. So we're going to put off our stove. We've put it off after 10 minutes when we got this texture. And now, if you can see, in the blender I've put my cream cheese, what I had strained out. I had strained out the cream cheese, uh, and after straining it, I have put it in my blender. I have put one third tablespoons of butter, one-third cup of butter, and I have also put a pinch of salt, and I've put 2 tablespoons of milk in it. So I'm going to blend it now. Was the water that the cream cheese had left. Okay, I had strained out the cream cheese and I had put this water. I had separated this water. This water you can throw it out. It's of no use. I wanted to show you my cream cheese is absolutely ready. This is what it looks like after I blended it. As you know, cream cheese is so expensive, and you can make cream cheese now at the ease with just few ingredients at your ease. And this is 6-ounce cream cheese. It's 6 ounce, and this is what it looks like. This is what the cream cheese looks like. It's really nice and smooth. I will show it to you. It's smooth like this. It's really smooth, very creamy texture. After blending it for few minutes, I got this texture, and I tasted it. It's quite good. It's really nice and delicious. Of course, the thing that is homemade is going to be different than what you buy from the store, but give it a try. It's a very simple recipe. If you need cream cheese and you're short of it, then you can try this recipe and share it and like it and make this recipe with just few ingredients, guys. Do subscribe to my channel and share it with anyone who would love this recipe.